How to fix the screen flickering problem on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Screen flickering issues on Windows 11 PC can be quite frustrating, but here are several steps that you can try to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First of all, you can start by updating your graphics driver. For this, open the Device Manager. First of all, you can click on the View option to find for the display adapter if it is not shown in the screen. In the View button, tap on Show Hidden Devices. Once that is done, search for display adapter and click on the drop-down menu. Now from the list, select for the graphics driver, right-click on it and update the driver. Also make sure to update your Windows till then. Alternatively, you can also visit the manufacturer website to download and install the latest driver manually. Next settings that you can adjust is the display settings. Sometimes incompatible display settings can cause flickering. So for this, you have to open display settings. For that, you can either type in the search bar or open settings, go to system and then on display. First of all, from the display resolution, you can try to change it. And additionally, scroll down until you find the multiple displays or display orientation option. Additionally, click on Advanced Display option and change the display adapter properties for the display. Then you can click on Properties and change it as you like. Also, you can choose a different refresh rate and check if it works. Now, the third solution is disabling hardware accelerations. Some applications use the hardware acceleration to improve performance, but it can sometimes cause screen flickering. So try disabling the graphics acceleration in applications such as web browsers or other software where it is enabled. In order to do so, open your Google Chrome or any other browser, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and go to its settings. Now from here, you have to select on System and then turn off the option of graphics acceleration. Other than that, you can update your Windows timely and check for the physical connection as well. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.